mughlai chicken darwari.
One kilogram chicken. One cup of curd. 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder. Half tsp of garam masala powder. Salt as per taste. 1.5 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Half tsp of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. 2 tsps of cream. 10 to 15 almonds. 2 bay leaves, 1 piece of javitri, 1 inch cinnamon stick, half tsp of shazira, 6 to 8 black pepper, and 3 to 4 green eloichi. To fried onion. Transfer fried onion in a jar. Grind coarsely. Coarse paste is done. Transfer chicken in a mixing bowl. Add ginger garlic paste. Add salt. Add turmeric powder. Add Kashmiri red chili powder. Add garam masala powder. Add cumin and coriander powder. Add curd. Mix everything nicely with chicken. Let it marinate for 1 hour. Hit dye and add to tsp of oil. Add spices. Stir fry for a few seconds. Add marinated chicken. Give a mix. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Cover and cook till water absorbs. Stir in between. Add coarse paste. Mix well. Add cream and mix. Lower the flame and roast it nicely. Add 1 cup of water and cook. Cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame. Chicken is almost done. Give a quick mix. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Tasty chicken is done. Turn off flame. Mughlai chicken darbari is ready. Tasty and delicious mughlai chicken darbari is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.